Have you ever felt like there is more to reality than what we can see with our eyes? That strange, persistent feeling that something is hidden, waiting just beyond the surface of what we perceive? That, my friends, is the whisper of the third eye. It's an inner knowing, a sense that a deeper truth is calling to you. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to awaken this powerful center, also known as the Ajna Chakra, and in doing so, unlock your intuition, your inner wisdom, and a much higher level of awareness. This isn't about seeing ghosts or predicting the future. It's about seeing yourself and the world with profound clarity. The third eye is believed to be a spiritual energy center, located right between your eyebrows. Think of it as the gateway to your soul's wisdom, the seat of your inner vision, and the very source of spiritual awakening. If you've ever felt a pull towards understanding the universe on a deeper level, or a desire to connect with the hidden truths that lie within you, then you are in the right place. This journey is for you. We're about to explore the practical steps you can take to gently and safely open this gateway. And before we dive into this transformative practice, if you're passionate about spirituality, understanding your chakras, and uncovering hidden knowledge, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's begin with the cornerstone of this practice: meditation and visualization. This is by far the most powerful and direct way to connect with and open your third eye. First, find a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a cushion on the floor or in a chair. Just make sure your spine is straight, but relaxed. Close your eyes gently and begin to focus on your breath. Don't try to change it. Just observe the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the air entering your body and feel it leaving. This simple act anchors you in the present moment. Now, bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. As you continue to breathe, begin to visualize a beautiful glowing orb of indigo light right at that spot. Indigo is the color associated with the Ajna Chakra. With every deep inhale, imagine this indigo light growing brighter, warmer, and more vibrant. With every exhale, picture it expanding, gently dissolving any tension or blockages in that area. Visualize this light activating your inner vision, like turning on a switch to a higher perception. To amplify this, you can softly chant the mantra Om, either out loud or silently to yourself. The vibration of Om resonates directly with the third eye chakra, helping to stimulate and awaken its energy. Do this for at least 5 to 10 minutes each day. Consistency is key. Next up, step 2. Cleanse your mind and body. Think of your body as the temple that houses your spirit. To raise your spiritual vibration and allow energy to flow freely, it's essential to remove any physical and mental blockages. This means paying attention to what you consume. Try to avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and other substances that can dull your senses and lower your vibration. Instead, focus on clean, whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and plenty of pure water. Staying hydrated is crucial for flushing out toxins and maintaining energetic clarity. A clear body is the foundation for a clear mind, and a clear mind is necessary for the subtle perceptions of the third eye to come through. This isn't about being perfect, it's about making conscious, supportive choices for your well-being. Step 3 is all about learning to listen. Pay close attention to signs and your intuition. Your third eye doesn't shout, it whispers. It communicates through subtle signs, feelings, and synchronicities. Have you ever thought of someone and then they suddenly call you? That's a little nudge from your intuition. To strengthen this connection, I highly recommend keeping a dream journal. The dream world is a playground for the subconscious and the spiritual realms. As soon as you wake up, write down everything you can remember, even if it feels random. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and messages. Also, pay attention to synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be random. When you notice these things, acknowledge them. The more you tune in and trust your gut feelings, the louder and clearer that intuitive voice will become. It's a muscle, and the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Now for step 4. Using the power of sound and frequency healing. Everything in the universe is vibration. and you can use specific frequencies to stimulate and attune your energy centers. The third eye chakra is particularly responsive to the 852 Hz frequency, which is known as the frequency of returning to spiritual order. You can find hours of 852 Hz music or solfeggio frequencies online. Try listening to this while you meditate, work, or even as you fall asleep. Another wonderful tool is sound bowls, specifically crystal or Tibetan singing bowls. The pure resonant tones they create can help to clear energetic stagnation and raise the vibration of your Ajna chakra. Allow the vibrations to wash over you, visualizing them cleansing and activating the space between your brows. Sound is an ancient and powerful tool for awakening consciousness. Step 5 involves working with our allies from the mineral kingdom, crystals. Certain crystals have a vibrational frequency that resonates harmoniously with the third eye. 3 of the most powerful for this purpose are amethyst, lapis lazuli, and sodalite. Amethyst is a stone of spiritual protection and purification, helping to clear the mind of negative thoughts. Lapis lazuli has been revered since ancient times as a stone of truth and enlightenment, connecting you to spiritual wisdom. Sodalite brings emotional balance and enhances intuition. To use them, you can simply place one of these stones directly on your forehead, over your third eye area, while you are lying down to meditate. Close your eyes, breathe, and feel the energy of the crystal merging with your own. Imagine it amplifying the indigo light of your chakra, helping to gently open and expand your spiritual awareness. Our final step, step 6, is perhaps the simplest, yet the most profound. Practice stillness. In our noisy, fast-paced world, we rarely allow ourselves true silence. But silence is where the magic happens. It's in the quiet moments between the thoughts that you can hear the voice of your soul. Make time each day to simply be still. No music, no phone, no distractions. Just sit in silence and allow yourself to be present. As you sit, gently bring your focus back to your third eye. You can visualize it as a tightly closed lotus flower. With each moment of stillness, imagine one petal slowly unfurling, then another, and another. Don't try to force it open. The key is to allow it to unfold naturally, in its own time. This practice of patient, loving attention creates the safe and sacred space your inner vision needs to awaken. So, you've been doing the work. How do you know if your third eye is actually opening? The signs are often subtle at first. You might start to feel a gentle pressure, a buzzing, or a tingling sensation between your eyebrows, especially during meditation. Your dreams might become incredibly vivid, colorful, and more meaningful. You may find that you're experiencing more and more synchronicities in your daily life, seeing repeating numbers, running into the right people at the right time, or finding answers to questions you were just thinking about. You might also notice an increase in your intuitive hits or gut feelings, and you'll find it easier to trust them. These are all beautiful signs that your inner vision is awakening and your connection to a higher level of awareness is strengthening. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the self. If you found this guide helpful and it resonated with you, I would be so grateful if you would hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into spiritual knowledge. Your support helps this community grow. I would truly love to hear about your own experiences. Have you ever felt your third eye opening? What signs have you noticed? Please share your stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Sending you all so much love and light.